Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and daily update. It's becoming a daily update right now on Manta. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, Manta. I think we'll have to look up a different. We'll have to look up a different side on the fundamentals. But Manta has been doing fine. All right, has even been doing pretty good up until yesterday. I'm not sure if it's still the case. But Manta was actually still growing in total value locked. Right now you can see it has stalled a bit. It's a bit lower than yesterday, but that's also because of the prices, because of the market, just in general. You know what it is. All right, but I wanted to give you an update on Manta because yesterday we had a lot of volatility. I also traded Manta briefly, which I'll tell you about. I'm currently not in any trades. But first of all, yesterday when I did the video, I expected some more bearish momentum, and the main reason for that is, and I've been showing you this for basically the last 3 videos, but I still think it's relevant. If you look at Manta right now, first of all, the open interest, I actually do think yesterday I still think it was good, but I do think it has decreased a bit over the last couple of hours. Yes, that's also what you can see right here. Open interest is down a bit, so momentum for Manta is decreasing. But what you can see is that there's still so much liquidity, like millions of dollars of liquidity to the downside here. All right, so that's between 2.1 and 2.2. There's also liquidity to the upside at 2.8 and 2.75. But right now, I mean, I'm not sure if you check the markets. But the markets are not ideal, all right? Manta just, I always said yesterday in the video as well, even though I expected bearish momentum, I always said if 2.5 breaks and 2.5, 2.55, this level, then we can actually see bullish momentum. And that's also when I entered, so I bought some here. I got out an entry, all right, because I didn't trust it when we did not break above that level again. Manta did rally a little bit, but not too much. I mean, I think it was up like 10%. So you're not going to get rich off of 10%, at least not with the risk reward I had. But overall, had some bullish momentum then, but since that rally, momentum has been dropping. All right, and momentum is dropping. The market circumstances right now are far from ideal. So I like Manta. I still believe we are going to get a rally sometime soon for Manta. But I, again, have to tell you that I think it's most likely we're going for that liquidity. There's just, it would be so weird to not grab that liquidity, all right? Manta has some great backers behind it. I said the same thing yesterday, but it has some parties behind it which are, you know, quite well known for being able to hunt some liquidities. So I think that's most likely. It's in line with the bearish breakout below 2.5 and 2.55 we had earlier this morning. It's in line with the trend right now that the EMAs have flipped on the 15-minute time frame. It's in line with Bitcoin's momentum at this moment, at least. And it's in line with where most of the liquidity is. So I think that's most likely. I mean, what is important to know is that if Bitcoin, which is a possibility, if Bitcoin really turns bullish right now and it starts rallying up to 42,000 and 42,500, then there's a chance that Manta still reclaims 2.55 and goes for that liquidity to the upside first, because that's also millions of dollars. But that's at this moment that's out of the 2 scenarios, that one is most unlikely. All right. But keep that in mind, all right? Manta, in general, very, very interesting to keep an eye on. I would definitely recommend you to do that. But for now, that's everything you need to know, all right? So thank you for watching. If you want to know when I'm trading Manta again, which I'm pretty sure I will at some point of time, consider joining my premium or signal group, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.